2021 m. Liepos 11 d. Kuboje prasidėjo protestai. Tai didžiausios demonstracijos nuo 20 amžiaus viduryje vykusios Kubos revoliucijos. Viena iš pagrindinių priežasčių – koronaviruso pandemija, konkrečiai valdžios atsakas ir dėl to augantis susirgimų bei mirčių skaičius, medicinos priemonių trūkumas. Sonija ir jos vyras Karlosas taip pat išėjo į gatves. Sutuoktiniai priklausė opozicijai. Greitai pora gavo įspėjimą bėgti iš šalies. Jiems gresia kalėjimas arba mirties bausmė.
So I go to the Russia because Russia do not have a visa for the people to Cuba. It's very fast, and I util Russian for continue the travel. So the one country in the European Union for take my asylum political here.
Per Lietuvos ir Baltarusijos sieną Sonija atvyko 2022 m. balandžio 13. Po 11 mėnesių praleistų Pabradės ir Medininkų pabėgėlių stovyklose, jos bei jos vyro politinio prieglobsčio prašymai buvo patenkinti. Nuo šiol jie turi nuolatinį leidimą gyventi Lietuvoje. Tad Vilniuje Sonija gyvena jau kiek daugiau nei 1,5 metų. Mums besikalbant, ji paminėjo, kad šiuo metu Lietuvoje ji jaučiasi saugi. Ganėtinai greitai tapo akivaizdu. Vilnius jau yra tapęs jos namais.
Cafe and you know where is this place? I don't know where is the name. I know in the Spanish is Puente Blanco, but I have one scooter in summer. I take my scooter for travel more fast in city. In the afternoon, I take one coffee in this place, and I look at the children's playing, and I go to people, take your coffee the same with your friend. I like this place for relax, no? Is that for chilling? I go to the forest. For chilling, I go to the forest because I love the natural. I take my tent. I can't one day, one night for me and myself. And also my children like that. And the sons, I like the Uchupis. Oh, it's amazing this place because to the rivers and you have auctions take you food or lunch very close now the river. And this city, this place is very beautiful because the street, I like it because my country also have this street, so I remember a lot. My first friends is a Seniors group, old person, the Seniors group is my good friends. These friends, the Seniors group, community, speak for the another friends. Hey, I have one woman's friends, the Cuban. She can clean your home, or she can take your children, or you know. And after that, my community, the friends, is more big. One friend and another friend and another friend, and now I have a lot of friends in Lithuania.
Dabar Sonija rytais prižiūri vaikus, o popiet mokykloje moko ispanų kalbos. Darbus Sonijai padėjo surasti draugai. Kitu atveju būtų buvę sudėtinga. Ir dėl kalbos barjero, ir dėl darbo patirties trūkumo. Karlosas – muzikantas. Visai neseniai pradėjo groti ir naujai susikūrusioje grupėje. Tad vis pasigirsianti muzika – pirmojo koncerto įrašo nuotrupos. Gavę prieglobstį Lietuvoje pabėgėliai gauna finansinę paramą, skirtą padengti nuomos išlaidas. Tačiau tam, kad būtų galima pasinaudoti šią paramą, reikia oficialiai prisiregistruoti. Bet
so not everybody like register in the home the migrant.
Gyvenamosios vietos klausimas buvo ypač svarbus ir tam, kad į Lietuvą galėtų atvykti vaikai. Sonija ir Karlosas savo vaikų nematė maždaug 2 metus. Jie atvyko tik 2023 m. rugsėjį.
My children now, your education is in the home with me. All evening, I learning with my children a little bit English, a little bit Lithuania in the books because I know, but and also in the Spanish and the mathematics and everything, no? But go to the school is very difficult. The Department of Migration tell me that my children have opportunity they go to the school, but I go to the 3 school, and this school no one take my children in your centers because the document no is correctly or no understand your status or no want the migrant in your school. But my children have opportunity to go to the one center for integration or something that. Thank you for seniors group again. And my children have opportunity to go 2 days for a weekend in this school.
Tad šiuo metu svarbiausias klausimas – gauti vaikams leidimus gyventi Lietuvoje.
I need to pay for the lawyer. It's very expensive for me because in the beginning now my job is perfectly. I no receive good money for pay a lot of spend a lot of money. So I need to go to my children need go to the doctors. I can't go to the doctor because also in doctor no have the children in the system. No is possible register. No is possible nothing. If you have any problem to go to the doctors, but you need to pay the tourist. No, the normally. So only the psychologist. I need to the psychologist of my children because my daughter. I don't know what you see, you have force, bad situation in Cuba, and after that travel here is a lot move for the children, move your life. The children no understand what happened. So need to the psychologist and also test and also vaccine for the COVID, not have this pencil the COVID. So it's very hard, the situation now for the children, but I hope maybe in 2 months more finish this history and in September go to the school normally.
Pokalbiui einant į pabaigą, Sonijos paklausiau, kaip ji įsivaizduotų savo gyvenimą po 3 metų.
The same with my business. In the morning, go to my mini club restaurant, La Terraza, half name. Okay, go to my terraza, and work perfectly and receive my magnificent Lithuanian person coming and give a little bit experience happy. My dreams is that put one business, the original my country, example food, ropa vieja. I don't know, you know what it is. Well, it's perfectly pizza Cubans. It's very delicious too, and bread and maybe club mixed with the food because my husband is music. And my children in the school, my life here. I think a lot about that. And before I think, okay, I go to the Spain because it's my language, it's more, maybe it's more easy for integration or for, but now I change my mind because Lithuania is a small country, have more opportunity for business because no have Cuba nothing here, so it's the first me. So is that maybe I can travel in the Spain for visiting my family. I have families in Spain, but life here,